Then, ayan, dyan sa part na yan guys, makikita nyo, talagang meron tayong 536.64 na pi, okay? Na nasa mainnet na, okay? Ipaliwanag ko lang ng mabilis guys ha, yung nakikita nyo dito sa lower part sa history. Okay, yung una dyan sa baba, yan yung 0.01 pi na parang ano yan eh, yung parang yung test pi para ma-confirm kung kung naka-receive ba ng Picoin yung ano mo, account mo or yung wallet address. Kaya meron yan. Yung pangalawa, yan uh, yung mainnet balance na pwede mong i-transfer. Okay, based dun sa date na nakalagay dito sa wallet history mo. Okay, sa Pi wallet. And then yung isa naman diyan sa taas, yan yung sa lockup, yung Pi X amount ng Pi na naka-lock up. Okay? Depende dun sa kinumit mo, naka-lock up yan. Kaya tatlo yung makikita nyong segment dito. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko dyan, ni-revisit ko lang yung history natin. Ayan, makikita nyo, out of the 536 Pi coin natin, 401 lang talaga yung pwede kong mailabas or mai-withdraw to a centralized exchange. So na-load itong 401 na transfer sa mainnet wallet ko last March 4, 2025. Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies.